What's up guys, welcome to another video. My name is Domi, I'm German. Right now I'm not traveling, I'm here in Germany, in Frankfurt, and yeah, sorry guys, I haven't posted a video in a long time, so because obviously I can't travel right now, so I asked you guys, what do you want to see? And most is just regarding food, so I hope my channel won't turn into a food channel, but yeah, I asked a lot of you for samosa recipes and collected them. Thank you all guys, you know who I'm talking to. So yeah, I guess in this video I'm gonna try to make samosa on my own here in Germany. I don't know if I will make them today, but at least I'm gonna search the ingredients today. So I got my list of ingredients and I checked my map here on my computer, and I found 3 Indian stores. So I'm gonna go and check them out, and yeah, see you on the way. So yeah, as you have seen in the video just before, I've been to an Indian store here in Frankfurt, and let me just go to the kitchen and show you. So here, this is my kitchen. Let me take a step back. So that's my kitchen, and I got everything I need so far for the samosa. And I've been to an Indian store and I've been searching for spices, and he said all the spices I need are in here. And I trusted him. I got some additional spices, and I also bought some, wait a second. So yeah, just to be safe, I bought some chilies to put it in for the spice. I got my peas, I got the potatoes, oil, everything's there, flour. So yeah, I hope it's gonna work, so let's get right into it. Okay, so at first, let's start cooking the potatoes. Okay, so yeah, I'm not cooking them now. I guess I'm just gonna peel them before. So yeah, let's go. Okay, guys. So I just planned to skip to the finished peeled potatoes, but it's my first time peeling potatoes, and look at this beauty. That's how to peel potatoes. Half of the potato is actually inside here, so forgive me if I'm wasting too much food, but I'm giving my best. So let's skip to the finished potatoes. Look at this. This is art. I mean, I produced more trash than I actually made potatoes, but yeah, it's gonna be fun. It's more fun than I expected. So okay, so now the potatoes are done. And I think I'm gonna boil them now. And while I'm doing this, I'm gonna cut my chilies here, because I want it to be more spicy. So I'm gonna cut the chilies and boil the potatoes, and let's go. Okay, so the next step, I'm gonna fry these bad boys to get some flavor, and I'm gonna put them on the side for the filling. And yeah, let's go. And yeah, camera is right. Okay, so let's go. just a short update. Potatoes are boiling. Spiciness is ready. It's a mess. I'm gonna clean up and get the dough ready. And yeah, as I just said, let's see then. Let's go. Okay, guys. So I'm just gonna prepare the dough now, and I just discovered I'm kind of stupid. I have no way of weighting anything, so I'm just gonna go freestyle, I guess. So I hope it's gonna work. So I'm just gonna mix the flour with the oil and let's see what's gonna happen. Let's go. Okay, so little update. The dough is done. I hope it's enough for half a kilogram of potatoes. So I'm gonna let this boy rest. I'm gonna let these boil, and yeah, I'm just gonna chill and yeah, see you in 10 minutes. Let's go. Oh, hello. Let's say hi to Kaguya. Hey, look into the camera. Okay, guys, I'm back. The potatoes are still boiling, but I think they are done. The dough has been resting for like 20 minutes. I think I'm gonna give it a little bit more time, but I'm gonna make the filling now. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna place the camera somewhere, because I noticed today that filming and cooking is like complicated, because your hands always get like greasy and I have to touch the camera and stuff. So let me place the camera, let me smash the potatoes, and let's go! Potatoes ready. Okay, guys, so I just made the potatoes and I realized I think I made a mistake. That's the dough. That's the amount of potatoes. Will it work? We will see at the end. So let me just let me just mash those potatoes and spice them, and we will see if it works later. So as always, let's go. Okay, so it looks like these are mashed potatoes. I think I'm gonna add the spices now. But yeah, I hope I can trust the Indian store guy, because that's not a Samosa spice, but he said everything's in there. So and I have actually no idea how much to put in there, so I'm just gonna try and eat. So gonna add those chilies now. Gonna add the beans, not beans, pies. I don't know the English term. So and also the spices. So let's go. Okay, so yeah, now the spices. So I'm just gonna add some, and then I'm just gonna try and check how it tastes. I'm gonna add some more, or I don't know. So let's just add some spices and mix this stuff up. Let's go. Okay, so this is how it looks mixed up. Not very pretty, but I actually tried it, and I'm pretty happy and proud of me. So it actually tastes like samosa. I didn't expect this, but it actually smells like samosa. I feel like I'm in India. It's like the smell. I haven't how do I say it? I haven't discovered the smell actually here in Germany. So that's like a nostalgic feeling in my stomach. So gotta continue and make the dough now. The dough is ready. I'm just gonna make the samosa form and gonna fill it, but I think I have way too much potatoes. So yeah, let's go. I have to check a YouTube guide now, because I never did this before. So let me check the guide and continue. So let's go. Okay, so just a short update. That's how my samosas look, and I have no idea what to do now. I did a Google search, but oil didn't work, and I have absolutely no idea what to do now. I don't want to throw this away, but stop! don't listen to this guy. He's crazy. So actually what happened is I told my mom about the failed samosas, and I did the 500 subscriber live stream and everything, and yeah, my mom told me just come and let's try again. So here's what happened. I just got back from my parents' home. It took me a while, but my mom actually managed to make samosa dough and it was working. So we made samosa and they are here. So I actually did it. Okay, so look at these bad boys. I mean, they are not especially beautiful, but okay, they are actually ugly. Bruh. But yeah, I'm quite happy. So I wanted to do a tasting on video. I guess you all want me to taste them too, but actually I already tried them at my parents' house, and when my mom and we tried them, and we both started crying because it was so funny. I expected the filling to be not like in India because of the spices, but actually what happened is the filling is perfect. It tastes exactly like in India, but the dough, the stuff around, is a little bit too thick. So if you try it, it actually tastes like you're eating bread. So the filling is awesome, but the wrapping around just tastes like we made a cake. So yeah, I guess I have to eat them with ketchup or something because they're a little bit boring, but yeah, I'm happy to announce that I finally managed to do samosa on my own. Check out my hair. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. The video didn't went as planned, and yeah, if you're new here, subscribe down there, and I guess yeah.